I'm so excited because I got a package, a beautiful gift from one of my dear friends, and she gifted me with some beautiful products from a company called Gloriously Made. I am so excited to see what's inside. It's a beautiful packaging. So let's see what's inside of this beautiful package that was sent to me as a gift. The packaging is gorgeous. Again, it's called Gloriously Made. Oh, wow. It's a skincare product inside the box. Oh, let's see what's inside of here. Oh, it's very nicely packaged. It's beautiful. Oh, look at the packaging inside of it. Oh, this is called the Snail Mucin Essence, and it gives you direction. I love the way that it's packaged. Look at the beautiful bag that it's in. Wow, you got to take care of your skin. As we're maturing, we have to take care of our health. And I love supporting businesses that are going to help us take care of our health. Oh, look, this is beautiful. So pretty. It's called the Snail Mucin Essence from Gloriously Made. I'm excited to try this product out and take care of our temple where the Holy Ghost dwells. So far, I love this. It's very, very pretty. And it has a nice oh, it's made by hand. Has a nice note. It's very, very packed beautifully. You can open it up. Here's my second product that they made me. So excited to try these ingredients. I believe they're safe. They're clean. I'm very, conscious of what I put on my body. Oh, this is called a foam oil cleanser. Look how pretty. Excited about this. I love the packaging again. All right, and I got one more from them. I am so happy to support other businesses, especially Gloriously Made. What a beautiful name. As you know, as a glory girl, we love to support anything that brings glory to the Lord and just help us fulfill our assignment. Oh, look how pretty. It says thank you on it. All right, let's open this up and see. And everything was hand packaged. I could tell was made with love. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, it has a nice little ice cube inside of it. Oh, look at this little gold spoon. So pretty. Oh, this looks very nice. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a whipped tallow. I love beef tallow. This is so healthy for your skin. It has vitamin C, D, and E, and K. Guys, we want to look youthful and young. We want to fulfill our assignment. So thank you so much, Jessie, for this beautiful gift. She gifted it with me as a birthday gift, and I'm so excited. And check out Gloriously Made. I'm going to, check it out on my skin, but everything was beautiful. So thank you so much. Check out Gloriously Made. God bless you guys.